Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting Panda VPN running and confirming your eFootball credentials. Install the app, sign in, and confirm your subscription. Once done, run the built-in speed test and choose a nearby server to minimize latency and packet loss. Make sure your game platform has no conflicting proxies or double VPNs enabled. While you do this, clear any background downloads so bandwidth is dedicated to the game. This reduces stutter when you join a match. Now configure Panda VPN for gaming. Switch to UDP or the app's low latency protocol and enable features that prioritize game traffic. If Panda supports split tunneling, add the eFootball executable to route only game traffic through the VPN to reduce overhead. Once configured, connect to the selected server and launch eFootball 2025. This order avoids NAT or handshake issues. Monitor the in-game network overlay or ping display for stable numbers, and adjust server if spikes appear. Finish by verifying the in-match network stats. Look for consistent ping and no packet loss, and confirm your matchmaking region aligns with the server location. If latency is high, try a different nearby server, change protocol, or enable split tunneling to reduce hops. If you still face issues, restart your router and device, reconnect Panda VPN, and relaunch eFootball. One key troubleshooting tip: if NAT or disconnections persist, toggle the VPN protocol and test each option until you regain a stable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.